Once upon a time, in a forest filled with animals of all kinds, there was a group of friends who loved to cook and eat together. One day, they decided to have a cooking competition with a twist. They could only use plant-based ingredients. The group included a rabbit who loved carrots, a koala who adored eucalyptus leaves, a beaver who was a master at gathering berries, a squirrel who could find the tastiest nuts, and a deer who was known for her love of wildflowers. The competition began, and the rabbit started with a classic carrot salad, but the other animals weren't impressed. The koala made some eucalyptus tea, but it tasted too bitter for the other animals' liking. The beaver made a berry smoothie, but it was too sour. It was the squirrel's turn, and she presented a bowl of mixed nuts with a secret sauce made from honey and maple syrup. The other animals were intrigued and couldn't wait to taste it. They all grabbed a handful of nuts and started munching away. Suddenly, the rabbit's face turned red and he started hopping around, shouting, "It's too spicy! It's too spicy!" The squirrel couldn't help but burst out laughing. "I added some extra chili powder for a kick," she said between giggles. Next up was the deer, who presented a salad made with a mix of wildflowers and herbs, topped with a homemade dressing. The other animals took a bite and their faces lit up with delight. "This is amazing!" they all exclaimed. The koala even asked for the recipe. After a day filled with cooking and eating, the group of friends realized that plant-based foods could be just as delicious and satisfying as meat-based dishes. They decided to start incorporating more plant-based meals into their diets to help protect the environment and conserve resources. And whenever they got together to cook, they always made sure to add a little bit of humor and laughter to the mix. From that day on, the group of friends continued to experiment with new plant-based recipes and share them with other animals in the forest. They even started a plant-based cookbook and invited all their friends to contribute their favorite recipes. And so, the forest animals learned that eating a plant-based diet could not only be good for their health, but also for the environment and for spreading joy and laughter.